Tesla's Optimus robot has recently captured public attention with a bold proposition: engaging in cage matches. This unexpected challenge has sparked widespread curiosity and debate. What lies behind this audacious move? Is it a mere display of confidence? Or does it signal a deeper shift in the realm of robotics? What's up, everyone? Alfie here, and you are not going to believe this one. Tesla Optimus just made the boldest move we've seen yet. The humanoid robot literally challenged others to a cage match. Yeah, combat robotics just took a wild turn. This might be more than just a flex. You're watching AI Nexus, where we break the future down in real time. Let's get into it. For those who've been following the humanoid robotics race closely, Tesla's recent silence on Optimus had been deafening. While competitors like Boston Dynamics and Figure AI were making headlines with flashy demos, Tesla's robotics team had retreated into stealth mode. Now we know why. The newly unveiled walking gait demonstrates a quantum leap in mobility and balance control. According to Optimus engineer Milan Kovac, this breakthrough was achieved through reinforcement learning in simulated environments, the same cutting-edge technique used by today's most advanced robotics firms. The timing of this cage match challenge is anything but coincidental. Elon Musk has always understood the power of spectacle in driving technological adoption. From Cybertruck's armored glass demonstration to SpaceX's daring rocket landings, Musk knows that capturing public imagination accelerates real-world implementation. By suggesting Optimus could compete in physical combat, Tesla isn't just teasing a potential sport. They're demonstrating faith in their robot's durability, reflexes, and real-world adaptability in the most visceral way possible. This idea of robot combat isn't entirely new. The 2014 startup Megabots famously challenged Japan's Suidobashi heavy industry to a giant mech duel in 2017. While the spectacle captured attention, the clunky piloted machines ultimately proved more novelty than revolution. What makes Tesla's proposition different is the autonomous nature of Optimus. We're not talking about remote-controlled machines. These would be AI-driven robots making split-second decisions in unpredictable combat scenarios. The technological implications of robot combat could be profound. Physical competition would push the boundaries of robotic durability, impact absorption, and recovery from falls. The need for instantaneous decision-making under pressure would accelerate advancements in neural network processing. Most importantly, success in such an unpredictable environment would prove a robot's readiness for real-world deployment in factories, construction sites, and other challenging workplaces. Tesla's Gigafactory footage reveals just how far Optimus has come. The once jerky movements have been replaced by smooth, confident strides. The robot now navigates uneven surfaces with human-like balance adjustments. Most impressively, it's already performing useful tasks alongside human workers. A clear sign that Tesla views Optimus as more than just a research project. The potential applications of this technology extend far beyond factory floors. A robot that can withstand the rigors of combat could revolutionize disaster response, handling dangerous environments too risky for humans. The same durability would make it ideal for construction work or mining operations. And the AI systems developed for split-second combat decisions could be adapted for everything from emergency medicine to autonomous vehicles. Of course, the entertainment value shouldn't be underestimated. The success of robot combat leagues like BattleBots proves there's significant public appetite for mechanical mayhem. A humanoid version featuring recognizable robots like Optimus could capture mainstream attention in ways industrial applications never could. This public engagement could be crucial for funding and advancing the technology. The engineering challenges remain formidable. Creating robots that can both dish out and withstand physical punishment requires breakthroughs in materials science, energy storage, and damage control systems. The AI must be capable of making ethical decisions in real time, knowing when to stop a match if a robot is taking too much damage, for instance. And there are serious questions about safety protocols for both the machines and any nearby humans. Tesla's approach to these challenges appears to be twofold. First, they're leveraging their expertise in battery technology and electric motors to create durable, high-performance robotic systems. Second, they're applying their massive AI training infrastructure to develop neural networks capable of handling unpredictable physical interactions. The cage match idea suggests they believe they're close to solving these problems. The competitive landscape is heating up rapidly. Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot has demonstrated remarkable agility and recovery abilities. Figure AI's robots are already working in BMW factories. Agibot is mass-producing humanoids for industrial use. If Tesla can demonstrate Optimus's superiority through physical competition, it could reshape the entire industry's trajectory. Looking ahead, several scenarios seem plausible. We might see organized robot combat leagues emerge within the next few years, serving both as entertainment and as proving grounds for new technologies. Alternatively, the cage match idea could remain a marketing stunt while the real development continues behind factory walls. Either way, Tesla has successfully reignited public interest in Optimus at a crucial moment. The philosophical implications are equally fascinating. As robots become more physically capable and autonomous, we'll need to grapple with questions about machine agency, the ethics of robotic combat, and the boundaries between entertainment and technological progress. What does it mean when we pit AI against AI in physical competition? Are we comfortable watching machines suffer damage for our amusement? From a business perspective, Tesla's move is brilliant. By framing Optimus as a potential competitor in physical challenges, they've created a new metric for judging robotic advancement beyond just industrial utility. They've also positioned themselves at the center of what could become a major new entertainment category. Most importantly, they've demonstrated that Optimus is no longer just a research project. It's becoming a product. The road ahead won't be smooth. Technical hurdles remain in creating robots that can engage in sustained physical competition without constant repairs. Regulatory challenges will emerge as these machines become more capable. And public acceptance isn't guaranteed. Not everyone will be comfortable with the idea of battling robots. One thing is certain: Tesla has thrown down the gauntlet in the humanoid robotics race. Whether the cage match idea becomes reality or remains a provocative thought experiment, it has successfully shifted the conversation. Optimus isn't just coming, it's coming out swinging. The question now is whether the competition will step into the ring or concede defeat before the first bell rings. As we stand on the brink of this new era in robotics, it's worth remembering that today's spectacle could become tomorrow's standard. The same technologies that might power robot combat could also revolutionize dangerous jobs, assist the elderly, and perform tasks we can't yet imagine. Tesla's bold challenge reminds us that technological progress often comes from pushing boundaries, sometimes literally. The world will be watching to see who accepts Optimus's challenge. Will it be Boston Dynamics' parkour-capable Atlas? Agibot's rapidly improving A2? Or perhaps a dark horse competitor we haven't yet seen? Whoever steps up, one thing is certain: the age of advanced humanoid robotics has arrived, and it's bringing plenty of drama with it. What do you think? Is robot combat the future of entertainment and technological demonstration? Or is this just a clever marketing ploy? Would you pay to watch Optimus battle other advanced robots? The conversation about where this technology should go is just beginning, and your voice matters in shaping what comes next. One way or another, the robots are coming, and they're ready to fight. So keep an eye on this space, and so don't forget to subscribe for more latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.